Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create Instagram password on your account. First you need find and open the Instagram app on our phone. Then go to the profile page and here find the three lines on the top right corner. Just click on it and here find the setting and privacy. Select it. Here we can see the first button is Account Center. Go to it and then just scroll down and find the account setting menu and here find the password and security. Just click on it and find the change password. Choose an account to make changes. And here we have three fields here. Just enter your current password and new password, enter type new password here. And for these steps you created the password on Instagram account, your Instagram app. And this all for today. Goodbye.